Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Vivomove HR tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the vibration strength on your Vivomove HR. Doing this can not only save your battery, but it can also keep the notifications on your phone more private if people are able to actually hear the vibration from your watch. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is activate the watch face and then long press on the watch face. Once the menu opens, swipe from left to right until you see the gear. Select the gear. And then once you get into the settings, swipe from left to right again until you see the wrench. Select the wrench. Once you see vibration, go ahead and select that. Now there are three options: low, medium, high. As you can see, if you select high, it'll warn you that your battery life will actually be a little bit shorter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do low, because low works for me. I can still feel it. It's not loud, and it's going to really conserve your battery. And another thing, once you select the different strengths, it'll actually give you a sample vibration so that you can see if it is actually strong enough or weak enough for you. And once you select the vibration strength that works for you, you're done. All you need to do is select back, continue to select back until you see the default watch face. That's how you change the vibration strength on the Vivomove HR. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Vivomove HR tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.